Field technician powers on HoloLens 2 and opens the application, and then downloads from the cloud-based backend the work order containing information about activities to be executed, including the type of equipment, where to find QR code, barcode of the equipment. Field technician reads QR code, barcode of the equipment, and then interrogates the cloud-based repository and retrieves the necessary information corresponding to the identified equipment. Using retrieved information, field technician follows the step-by-step instructions or procedures and executes the necessary installation or maintenance activities. Then updates the work order with executed activities and saves the work order to the cloud.